Hey, what's up guys? Make Money Matt here, helping you guys make money online. I'm logged into my YouTube analytics right here, and as you can see, for the past 28 days, for a single YouTube channel, I made $19,670.16. So if we go to the month of December right here, this is so far through December. Right now is December 28th, but it takes a few days for the revenue to upload. As you can see, $18,667 just in the month of December so far. So I actually want to calculate out with you guys how much that I'm making with YouTube, because this isn't the only channel that I do this on, that I make videos, uploading videos I didn't even make. I actually have another channel that makes money doing this as well. So I'm going to add this together real quick in a calculator. 18,667.25, 18,667.25 plus. Now we're going to add together my other YouTube channel. Let me just log into the analytics of that channel real quick. As you can see, this really is the analytics of my channel. $900 that day, $600 that day. I really am making this much money, and this is just with a single YouTube channel, by the way, guys. So let me log into my other channel real quick. So right now I just logged into my other channel. This is for the past 28 days, so let's switch this to the month of December as well. $5,233.45, so 5233.45. Let's go into the calculator real quick. 5233.45. As you can see, $23,970, and this is just in the month of December so far. Like I said, it's December 28th, but the analytics have only shown to December 26th so far. So I've made well over $23,000. I think I'll be able to hit the $25,000 mark actually by the end of December, which is pretty cool. $25,000 in a single month on YouTube, uploading videos I didn't even make. Let me show you what I mean by that, guys. By uploading videos I didn't even make. Now, I'm not at all saying that all you have to do is upload random videos on YouTube and you're going to make this much money, because there's a lot of things that I've learned along the way, guys, in doing this that I wish I would have known in the beginning. That's why I'm able to make $500 a day. And this is on a new channel, by the way, guys. This is the second channel that I'm showing you guys. On the first one, as you can see, I was making well over $19,000 a month, but this one's making $5,000 a month, which is pretty cool. If we go to the lifetime of this channel, I actually just started uploading videos in the beginning of 2018. So if we go to the last 365 days of this channel, as you guys can see, this channel has made $24,000 total dollars, and I made this channel just at the beginning of this year. As you can see, in May, it started making money. So I made this channel just in the beginning of this year. It's already generated $24,000, and this is just side income, guys. I have my main channel that's generating most of the revenue, but this is just extra revenue this channel is generating as well. So that's pretty cool, guys. As you can see, I'm really logged into my YouTube analytics. I started going really hard at the end of the year this year, as you can see, for this particular channel. But adding them together, guys, as you can see, $23,900.70 so far just in December. Total, I did the calculations. I made well over $140,000 total just this year in 2018. I'm excited to see when the end of the year rolls around how much that I've actually made. But going back to November, made $3,000. Going back to October, $5,000. And this is just my smaller channel, guys. I have a bigger channel that I showed you guys in the beginning that's making much more than this. And I'm not saying that all you have to do is upload random videos and you're going to make this much money. There's a lot of things that I wish I would have known. I do have a course actually at the link in the description if you guys are interested in getting my exact blueprints and my exact methods for exactly how I do this and how you guys can do this too. I've shown multiple of my friends how to do this. Now they're making money on YouTube as well. And like I said, guys, this is using videos I didn't even make. So if you guys are interested in the course, you can check it out at the link in the description. If you guys want to know exact blueprints on how to do this without having to go through all the trial and error yourself, because I show you guys exactly like secrets to multiplying your revenue, how to find videos, the exact best niches you guys can do this in, how to optimize your videos, how to optimize your YouTube channel, which nobody talks about. And a lot of the things I show you in optimizing your channel and videos are things that I've never seen on YouTube anybody else talking about. So they're basically secrets that I wish I would have known when I was starting YouTube. So you guys can check out the course at the link in the description if you guys are interested. But going through an overview of this method, exactly how I do this, here's a channel called Quantum Tech HD, which basically does the same exact thing. Now the tech niche is very good because ads within the tech niche are very good, high CPM, which means you make more money per 1,000 views, simply because there's more people advertising tech products than other things on YouTube. Now, that's not to say that you can make a lot of money with different niches as well. I've made a lot of money with different niches, not just the tech niche, but the tech niche is very good for that reason. And as you can see, they just make videos like inventions that will take your car to the next level, amazing tools that are on another level. If we just click a random video right here, like amazing tools that are on another level, as you can see, all they do is they put an intro in their videos and then they show all these different tools. Now, if we click another random video right here, like let's say new bike inventions that are on another level, let's just check out this video right here. Now, these aren't even videos that they made. These are videos that they're taking from product pages. So if we go to the description of this video right here, as you can see, they show product pages for all the products shown in the video. And a lot of these are like Kickstarter links, a lot of these are Amazon links, because when you go on Amazon, when you go on Kickstarter, you'll most likely see a product video. So you can actually take these videos, put them together into your own video, upload it to YouTube. As you can see, 1 million views. This channel is making a lot of money. Almost every single video they make gets over 1 million views, up to 4 million views, 4 million views, 2 million views, 1 million views. These videos get a lot of views, guys, and this equates to a lot of money, as I was showing you guys as reference to my channel. But taking a look at this, they show all these different bike inventions, and these get a lot of views. And most of this goes into optimizing your videos. Like I said, guys, you can't just upload videos and expect them to go viral, which can happen if you're very lucky. But there is an exact science to this that I figured out over the years. And if you guys are interested in learning my methods of exactly how to do this, you can check out the course at the link in the description. But yeah, essentially what this channel does is just show all these product videos. And the reason that this channel doesn't get copyright strikes or anything like that is because I think that all the products that they show in the video, all these companies, actually like this because it's essentially free advertising for every single product shown in the video. This is 1 million views that this bike company wouldn't have otherwise got. 1 million eyeballs on their product that this company wouldn't have otherwise got. Absolutely free. They didn't have to pay for any of this. They should be paying Quantum Tech HD for this, but Quantum Tech HD, all they have to do is find these videos on Kickstarter, Amazon, places like that, even direct product pages. You can just go to Quantum Tech HD to find these videos that they're using, just use the exact same videos. But they find these videos, they put them together into their own video. They're using videos they didn't even make, and they're putting it together into their own video, and they're making a lot of money doing this. So if you guys are interested in exactly how I do this, learn from someone who actually does this themselves, check out my course at the link in the description, makemoneymatt.com. In my opinion, this can make that back very easily if you actually apply what I teach in this, and I'm not saying it's a guarantee that you're going to make that much money that fast. However, I show you the exact secrets and blueprints that I currently use to make this much money with YouTube, with well over $100,000 a year, $140,000 actually right now. But I show you the whole process, guys, choosing a niche, the exact best niches you guys can do this in, downloading, uploading videos, optimizing your videos for views and subscribers, optimizing your channel, like I mentioned, guys, nobody talks about it. Everybody talks about optimizing videos, which is also extremely important, and I show that in the course as well. How to optimize your videos for views and subscribers, how to choose titles, how to choose videos. It's always good to have a plan of what videos you're going to upload before you actually find the videos, and I show you exactly what I mean by that in the course. And then how to make money with your videos, and I show you 2 secrets to multiplying your ad revenue up to 10 times what other people on YouTube make. So guys, in my opinion, this is the #1 method of making money online for beginners because it requires no investment. All you guys need is a bank account, a computer, and an internet connection. That is literally all you need, guys, to start doing this yourself. If you guys want to know how to do this, like I said, you can check out my course at the link in the description, makemoneymatt.com. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.